Hello everyone, welcome to my tech tip today. Today we're going to be learning how to fix missing game files, but if it appears as a page, a little low page, white page for your icons when you reinstall a game, that is completely reasonable. It makes sense why, but I'm going to tell you guys how to fix it. So, for example, let's take an example right here. Garry's Mod. If Garry's Mod had a missing file, uh, it was a little white page, then you want to go into Properties, and then go into Web Document, and then click on Change Icon. So if it looks like this one, uh, this is how you fix it. If it looks like this, so then you want to go into Browse, and then go into your main storage area where Steam is saved. You want to go into Program Files times 86 in parentheses. And you want to scroll all the way down, which is luckily made alphabetically. Then you want to go into Steam. Then you want to keep scrolling down, scrolling and scrolling until you go into Steam Apps. Next thing you do is you go into Common. As you can see, there are the games right here. And then you go into Garry's Mod. And then you keep scrolling down until you see the first one with an icon, or the one that you remember having the icon. For example, HL2, which is short for Half-Life 2, as it is a modification of the Half-Life engine. Then you click Apply, and it will fix it. So, that is the end of today's tutorial. I hope it helped you guys, and bye.